Hello guys, in this video we'll learn how to buy a website hosting. Particularly this video is created for WordPress based hosting, and in this video we will be discussing the steps to buy a website hosting and which one to choose. So basically it depends upon a budget first of all. So if your budget is too low, so we have multiple options. So one of the hosting that is very famous in India is Hostinger. It is quite cheap, but again it is quite impactful. In case you do have a high budget, then you can visit SiteGround, where you can find a hosting for different type of websites. It may be a cloud-based hosting, or it may be a WordPress, or it may be a small, simple PHP-based hosting. So similar options are there on Hostinger also, and we have other options like HostGator, which also provides almost same type of options. So basically, if you go for a shared hosting, it means your particular website would be hosted in a place where other websites are also hosted. It doesn't mean that your website will be slow. It does just mean that in case there is a virus attack that is not controlled by the hosting provider, then it might impact your website too. And secondly, if the entire hosting stack is like full, then your website speed might be a bit slower. But in case you are like having good website and now it is something that is required to have a separate space with a high RAM, high ROM. So in that particular use case, you can choose your own custom cloud-based hosting. So we'll just go to the steps. So you need to visit a hosting provider website. So it can be Hostinger, GoDaddy, SiteGround, HostGator, and something else. Then you need to check the offers and options. So you can just Google down the offer that is running. Like if you can see, you get a free domain with this HostGator hosting. Like that, you can choose for offers. Also, you can check out the options. Like if I go and check the plans for SiteGround, so we'll see what all options we do have. So they have three options like startup, grow big, go geek, and they have unlimited website option, 20 GB web space is there, and a lot of free other options like free SSL is there, free CDN is there. CDN is like your website will be having a copy in multiple locations, and your website will be delivered to that particular region from that particular regional based hosting. So it means same website will have a copy at different places across the globe, and the local people will be accessing the nearest hosting service. You also get free email services and so many other features if you can see. So like that, you go through the features, Google them individually what all these features are. Do you need that feature or not? And based on that, you take a decision. Okay, this particular website hosting platform is best for my use case. And also, you can start with the simpler one, and as you grow, you can keep upgrading your hosting plans based upon your budget. So yeah, that's it. You just choose, pay, and buy your hosting services. So the next video will discuss how to connect a domain with your hosting plans. So yeah, that's it. Thank you very much.